Hello and welcome to STEM Help. This is a channel that is made solely to help students learn, to help supplement teachers in teaching, and to help parents teach their children at home. Today I'm going to work on the box method. The box method is a really useful tool for multiplication tables, and it's very easy to actually use. I'm going to show you just a few, I'm just going to show you a few multiplication I'm just going to show you a few I'm going to show you how to perform. I'm going to teach you how to perform the box method. The box method is a pretty easy way. The box method is a pretty easy way to perform multiplication tables. And I'm going to show you one example real quick. I'm going to do 17 times 25 using the box method. So 17 times 25. What you're going to do is you're going to chunk 17 into tens and ones. So we'll draw a box here. And we'll write 10. Then we'll draw another box for the ones. 7 times 25. Excuse my writing. It may not be the best. There you go. So 17 times 25. So 10 times 25 is 250. And what you're going to do is you're going to take that 250, you're going to put it at the bottom here. And then we're going to go 7 times 25. It's easier to do that off to the side. 25 times 7. We'll do this the traditional way. 5 times 7 is 35. Right? 7 times 2 is 14. 15, 16, 17. 175. All right. So we have 250, and we're going to add this 175. 175. And that's going to equal 425. I might fix this plus sign a little bit. 250 plus 175 equals 425. 425 is the answer. Now, you can check this and make sure it's right using normal multiplication. Get rid of some of this right here. Normal multiplication. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 2 is 14. 15, 16, 17. You add your 0 at the bottom. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 2 is 2. So when you add these two together, you also get 425. All right, so that's just one example of the box method. The box method is really useful, especially if you do not have a pen and paper or a calculator laying around. Then you can do some of these multiplication tables in your head, right? And that's mainly what I use it for. And I know some of you parents, your students are going to be bringing home homework that has the box method on it, and you're going to be confused. It's the reason why I'm doing this video is because my children took home homework exactly like this and were telling me about the box method, and I had no idea. So let's go with another one. I'll show you another example. It'll be 37 times 41. All right. So 37 times 41, I'm going to chunk this into a box. So I'm going to go 30 in one box because that's my tens. And I'm going to put 7 in another box times 41. Just like that. All right. So now we're going to go 30 times 41. 41. All right. So I did 30 times 41. Put that there. I got my answer was 1230. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this 1230 down. 1230 plus, just like that. Now I'm going to use 7 times 41. So put my 7 underneath right here, just like that. 7 times 1, 7. 7 times 4, 28. Add my 0 at the bottom, just like that. Never mind, I don't have to add a 0. Because I'm not multiplying two numbers, I'm just doing one. So that is sometimes 287. So 1230 plus 287 equals, so I'm just going to do my normal addition right here. 1230 plus 287. 7 plus 0 is 7. 8 plus 3 is 11. Carry the 1. 2 plus 2 is 4. But with that 1, that makes it 5. 15, 17. That's my answer. All right. So I'm going to draw my square right there. 15, 17 is my answer. All right. Now I'm going to do it the traditional way. 41 times 37. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 4 is 28. Add my 0 down here. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. Add that together. We have 7, 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3, 15, 17. And that's how you do the box method. That's how you perform the box method, and that's also how you can back check it with your normal mathematics, with your normal multiplication tables. All right. Well, I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, if you need anything revolving math or science, leave a comment on this video, and I'll try to make a video to try to explain it. Thank you for your time.